Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys are doing very well. I'm impressed. I'm proud of what you guys are doing. Our subscribers are growing. See it. We are 528. In January, we are 100. Today, we are 528. So, well done. This money is for you. This money, we must make it. So that's why in this video, I'm not only going to show you this money, but I will take you into the money that I'm making online. So you will see how much I that talk about money is making. So that you will see that this money is possible to be made online. Well done, well done. If you have not subscribed, Oga Timothy, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. You don't want money? Subscribe, Jare. I will show you how much I'm making. When I'm through with telling you how much I'm making online, I will show you how you too can start making your own money online today. Today, oh, you go make money. 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 Today. I'll just take you through my own. Just one business I'm doing. I have other businesses. I just want to take you through one of them to see the possibility of making money online in 2022. It doesn't matter where you are. Are you in Nigeria, South Africa, UK, US, India? Wherever you are, in this channel, we make money everywhere and anywhere. As long as you can breathe, you can make money. Most of my videos are like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, the usual YouTube videos. But if they are long, like 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, I turn them to a course. What do? I upload them on a website like Skillshare. You can see my profile on Skillshare. So it's a teaching platform where people teach their courses. If you have a class, you upload it. So this is where I uploaded my course. And you can see different courses that I have so far. Stock market, side hustle, how to make money for teenagers, Binance tutorial, Bitcoin, print on demand, Canva, freelancing jobs, metaverse, cryptocurrency trading, cryptocurrency investing, day trading, forex trading, and how to make 100K per month in the financial market. So you can see I have different videos and courses I've uploaded on this platform. They're just like usual YouTube video that I make when they're in long form, like 1 hour, 2 hours. People on YouTube are lazy sometimes, so they don't want to watch video for 1 hour. They want to watch 10 minutes, 12 minutes, or sometimes cut videos. But I'm happy for the subscribers in this channel because we are not just only watching cat videos, we are watching finance videos, how to make this money. Hell, online, and we are making it. Oh, I'm talking too much now. Show me the money. I will show you, brother. I will show you, sister. I will show you the money. You can see how much they've been paying me. So they started paying me in May 2021. I started uploading courses like in 2020. I was new. I don't really know a lot about courses. But I just started by uploading some courses, which I've shown you. And you can see that the first money they paid me was $22. By next month, it increased to $38. Next month, $37. It kept increasing. Then I was shocked. In September last year, 2021, they paid me $200. As we keep on moving, they increased it to $252. As I make these courses, I was surprised because January this year, they paid me $435. Then as of June, which is last month, they paid me $432. Overall, they have paid me about $3,641. So far, so good. So this is the amount of money they have paid me. And for this month, which is July, they will pay me about $390. In fact, it has not even ended. They pay us on the 16th of each month. So this money you are seeing here, on the 16th of next month, this is what they will pay me. But the month is not over yet. Today is 24th. So which means before the end of this month, this money will increase hopefully to $500. And I will leave a link in the description box of this video that you can use to check out my classes and my courses. Go and watch it for free. In fact, if you start a membership, you have 1 month free trial. So within 1 month, you can watch all these classes I have, all of them for free. And after 1 month, you cancel it if you don't have the money to pay. So maximize the 1 month free trial. Then you can watch all these classes that I'm showing you. So they pay us on the 16th of every month, which means before the end of this month, the money get to $500. But as of now, I want to show you how much I've made so far as of today that I'm making this video. So here we have 3,641 plus 390. So if I add it up, you can see it, $4,031. So you can see my videos on YouTube, how to make money online, cryptocurrency, investing, blah, 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 blah. And thank you guys for watching. And the reason why I'm actually showing you all this money is because the last video that I made, you guys are actually liking it. You subscribe. You told me that you want to know more about how to make money through courses, how to trade, how to use robots. I asked for your comment and your suggestions, and you guys are giving it to me, and I'm happy for you to see that I listen to you. I hear your feedback. I hear your suggestion. So that's why I'm showing you now the different ways that I make money online. So if you have any comment, any suggestion, any one particular area that interests you, just tell me. I'll make a video about it. That's why I'm here. I'm here for you. I am here for you, and you've not subscribed yet. I go give you blow. I go give you 2 by 2. I have subscribed. So this is the money I've made so far from Skillshare, and you can see it. So which means as of today now, I've made about $4,000 just by uploading my class on Skillshare. So what I do also is not just to upload on only one platform. I upload on other platforms. And one of the platforms that I upload my courses is Udemy. And for Udemy, in fact, I started uploading on Udemy before uploading on Skillshare. You can see for Udemy, it was October 2020. And for the first month, I got $0. But you can see the next month, $15. It kept increasing. That in July 2021, it was $65. So you can see it kept increasing. In January this year, they paid me $200, which you are seeing here. And for last month, they paid me $155, which means overall, I've made about $2,000 from Udemy. So if we add it up, so we have $4,000 plus $2,000, which will give us what? $6,000, which you are seeing here. So which means from both Skillshare and Udemy, I'm uploading the same course. I'm not changing it. It's the same course I'm uploading that I uploaded on Skillshare. I uploaded it on Udemy because if you upload course, you are the owner of the content. You are just uploading it on different websites. So, which means from both websites now, I made about $6,000 just uploading classes. The same way I upload videos on YouTube that you're watching now, I have made about $6,000. You see, the money is coming though, and this is just the beginning though. Hey. Remember that I have about 500 subscribers on YouTube, which means I don't have large following. Imagine I have 500,000 followers. Imagine I have 1 million followers. How much I'll be making. In fact, when I start uploading these courses, I have 30 subscribers, 40 subscribers, 50 subscribers. So you see, people just come to this website to take the classes by themselves. Most of them don't even know me. They get to know me by coming to this website. So you have already known me, but yet you are not taking my classes. It seems you want me to stop showing you money. But I want to keep showing you money so that we make this money together now. We're in this business together. This money, this one I'm holding, is for you. And all you need to take it is subscribe. Once you subscribe and you go to the link of this video to take my classes for free, you are not paying. In fact, don't pay. Take the free trial. At the end of the free trial, you cancel it. Most of my viewers, my subscribers are from Nigeria. And thank you, Nigerians. I really appreciate it. And most of them came from this video that's going viral. 8 ways to make money in Nigeria. How I earn 60,000 naira every day. In order to honor you guys, I will convert this money to naira. Let's see how much it is in naira. So that's if $1 is 500 naira. In the black market, it's more than that. It's like 550, 560. But I want to be conservative. So if $1 is 500 naira times 500 naira. Whoa! Which means I've made about 3 million naira just by uploading my courses and teaching classes online. 3 million naira. Money follow me. Money follow me. Money follow me. Money follow me. 3 million naira just by uploading classes on a website. Of course, the purpose is not to brag or to say I made $3 million. I made 3 million naira. On this channel, we don't brag. We are very humble. It's just to motivate you and encourage you that these things I'm teaching you, they actually work. I have a lot of videos on how to make money online. I don't want to just be saying it with my mouth. But I also want to show you that you too can make money online. That is the purpose. I want to motivate you, encourage you that if I can do it, you too. Sister Benjo, you can do it now. Sister Alice, you can do it now. No be so, now so. And if you're wondering now, how do I start making money online? You don't have to make classes and courses like me. You don't have to. You just have to look for what you like. What do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? And what are people willing to pay you for? That's all you need. You're looking for three things: what you enjoy doing, what you are good at, and what people are willing to pay you for. You find the center point in this Venn diagram that I'm showing you here. The intersection of these three things. So once you're able to find it, you find your business. It's time to start making money. So there are all kinds of businesses that people do. We have service-based business, product-based business, and influencing business. For people in service-based business, it involves you selling your skills like marketing, consulting, freelancing, voiceover. I've explained all kinds of videos for each of these things. Check my videos on YouTube. If you don't want to take my courses, check my videos on YouTube. They are for free. How you can start. If you have talent, you can write, you can vlog, you're a graphic designer, you're someone that's creative. Your brain, they work. You can also make money. If you don't want to go into service-based business, you can sell products like clothing, electronics, jewelry. You don't have to produce them yourself. You can import from China. We send to your customers without you handling the inventory. We're in the modern world. So, and I've explained to you how you can do Amazon FBA, drop shipping, and all kinds of product-based businesses. You can sell products again like ebooks and online courses. I've only shown you one example of me selling online courses. If you're not into this thing, you can start posting on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikToks to start generating your own income stream. In our modern world, there are different ways that you can make money. And I would highly encourage you to start your business. You know me, in this channel, I encourage people to start their business. You can have a 9 to 5, and by the side, that's what we call it, side hustle. By the side, you'll be packing money, packmoney.com. So the reason why, again, you can start your own business is because some of them involve little cost. The cost it takes me to produce YouTube video that you're watching is the same cost it takes me to produce these courses. Most times, it's just the cost to edit the video. Sometimes I edit the video by myself, and the skill is easy. It's very easy for you to get the skill. You can go on YouTube to watch about and enroll in a freelancing website to start offering the service. You can watch a course, you can watch my video how to make money online, and you go to this website to create how to make money online. Nobody will kill you. I won't even be angry. And you can become a millionaire. See me. I'm a millionaire in Naira now. Very soon, I'll be a millionaire in dollars. Very soon. And don't be jealous when I get there. Because if you start little, you will grow big. And you can do this job anytime. I have a 9 to 5 job, so I'm not against 9 to 5 job. I have a 9 to 5 job. I'm not against it. But by the side, Saturday and Sundays, in the evening, you can be making passive income. That's why it's called passive. Passive income. And you can do any task. It doesn't have to be teaching or creating courses. And in all these videos that you are seeing here, I gave you different examples of businesses that people are doing to make money online. So watch them. Today, we go pack money. Sister Janet, we go pack money. Uncle Simba, we go pack money. Uncle Timothy, we go pack money. Brother John, we go pack money. If you want to start packing money, the first step is to subscribe to my channel. That's why I'm here, to show you how to make money online. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I was able to explain to you how one of my businesses has produced $6,000 for me, and to encourage you too, that you too can start your own business and make even more money than me. So thank you guys for watching. In the comment section, tell me any video you want me to make for you. That's my job, to make video for you. Just tell me and I get to work. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.